Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Totally not a Corel video, but this is pretty cool. If you're using Windows with your Corel, you can hold down the Windows key and the H, and it comes up with a microphone. So if you had your text tool and click on the microphone and it's listening, so it's probably writing everything I'm saying. But today is the first day of the rest of your life. See, it wrote everything I said. So when you do that, I was doing that for your benefit. Today is the first day of the rest of your life, and thank everyone for watching my videos. And then turn that off. And you have that text, and you can change it. I'm going to use this a lot, maybe not so much in Corel, but this will work in Word. Of course, Microsoft Word for sure. But I'm world's worst speller. And if I just need to spell a word, I'm going to start using it. But anyway, so really non-Corel related, but it might help some of us. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.